Are you ready to make some great art? Great! Go grab your sketchbook. Grab a set of color pencils, grab a set of markers, grab whatever art supplies you got. I just want you to get really excited about today's art lesson.
Form is our third element of art, and we are going to go ahead and write that out. Again, try to use bubble letters. If not, just write form the best you can. F, O, R, M. Form. Form suggests that there are dimensions, and in art there are two-dimensional drawings like painting and drawing, and form is used to create when you use a technique such as shading and perspective. And then form indicates also three dimensions, even if only by suggestion. So you can draw things in three-dimensional form, you can create things, sculpture, different forms of art. So we are going to draw some form. And the first one we are going to start with is two TWO, dimensional, DIMENSIONAL. And again, this is painting or drawing created by the use of the technique such as shading or perspective. So we are going to start with a sphere. And I'm going to use the technique of stippling just because I'm using a pen today. So this is going to be light to dark. And this is a sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E. So this is going to be the darkest part of my shape that I'm giving it form. And then as I go towards the light, it gets, this would be better with colored pencils, and I will try and draw another sphere again. So you can also do the two-dimensional form with the shading, and then we also have three-dimensional. Three, T-H-R-E-E, dimensional, D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N-A-L, three-dimensional. And this is where we draw with perspective. So one could be a pyramid. So I'm going to start with the basic shape, which is a triangle. And then I am going to give it some perspective. So I'm just going to draw a line down and then a line back, like a vanishing point, and give it some dimensional and perspective. So pyramid, P Y R A M I D. Next is a circle or an oval, and we are going to turn this into a cylinder. So you can kind of see at the bottom, I'm drawing two circles and connecting them together with one line. CYLINDER. You can really pick any shape and give it dimensions. So maybe we want to draw a watermelon. So I'm just going to draw half of a watermelon. So I have my circle again, and then I have the bottom of the watermelon that is curved. And then maybe the seeds in the middle, and you can color it. Maybe I am drawing a building. So I have a building that's front on. So I drew a square. Now I'm drawing a rectangle. Or maybe I want to draw the building using a perspective point, like a vanishing point. So I'm going to, so that leads me to the next shape, which is a cube. So we have our square. Then I'm going to draw a line down. Or you could draw it with perspective. So C-U-B-E, watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Buildings, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S. And I was thinking of just one other shape, and that is like a diamond ring or a stone. So I'm going to start with a triangle, and I am going to draw it on each side. And jewelry is a form of art too. So maybe we have the prongs. They are connected to hold the ring in place. And maybe there are some other pretty stones around it. And maybe there are some stones on the side. And I forgot one more, which reminds me of this shape up here. And that is a cone. So I'm going to draw a triangle but at the base of my triangle, I'm going to draw a circle. So C-O-N-E. Again, this is a diamond, but using dimensional perspective and technique. And we'll write that down too. So some things for form that you need are some techniques, TECHNIQUES, and those techniques are shadowing or shading, shade, S-H-A-D-E, shadowing, S-H-A-D-O-W-I-N-G, or drawing things in P-E-R, perspective, S-P-E-C-T-I-V-E. And that is form. So if you can think of any other forms, or if you have your Chromebook in front of you or an electronic device, you can look up how to draw some other forms and add them to your sketchbook.